Since we aren't physically able to go visit Barcelona, we're going to take a virtual field trip, and to get the most out of our experience, we're going to be utilizing our vocabulario. So let's learn the vocabulario before we do our virtual field trip. I'll say the word and then you repeat after me in Espanol. Repítame. Al parade.
El parade.
Al edificio.
El edificio.
La planta.
La planta.
Los rascacielos.
Los rascacielos.
La iglesia.
La iglesia.
El estadio.
El estadio.
El monumento.
El monumento.
La torre.
La torre.
El jardín.
El jardín.
La casa.
La casa.
Los columnas.
Los columnas.
La fuente.
La fuente.
Y el parque.
Y el parque.
Perfecto, chicos. Okay, so I'm going to give you las instrucciones, and then we will go on to our virtual field trip. So your guys are going to be choosing 5 different destinations in Barcelona. There's going to be plenty of options, so choose 5 of those, and then you're going to describe them using these vocabulary words. So, por ejemplo, yo vi una iglesia en la Sagrada Familia. That could be one of your sentences. Or you could say, yo vi una fuente en the magic fountain of Montjuic. So the sentence, or the oración that I'm going to give you is yo vi. You fill it in with la cosa, de la palabra, and el vocabulario, and el lugar. Por ejemplo, yo vi una iglesia en la Sagrada Familia. Do you guys have questions?
No.
Okay. So now we are going to be going to this website. So pull out your devices and go to AirPano, AIRPANO, Barcelona. Give me a thumbs up when you're there. Okay, so now that we're all there, we are going to be navigating through this site because this is our virtual field trip, our viaje. So if you scroll down, you will see La Historia, all the different stuff about Barcelona, and we will read that after, but first we are going to pick our 5 destinaciones. So you can pick any of these little green dots, the specific places in Barcelona, and then we are going to dig deep into those. So for example, let's go to this first one, La Sagrada Familia. And you can move your mouse around. It's like the real experience. It's like you're actually there. So when we're talking about La Sagrada Familia, we will use the sentence that was on the PowerPoint here. Yo vi, and then what do we see? Una iglesia. Aquí. Yo vi a una iglesia en la Sagrada Familia. That could be one of your examples after you pick La Sagrada Familia. But maybe you don't want to pick that one. So let's go over to número 6. 6. Columbus Monument, Barcelona. So here we see Columbus, and we can read about the history of it, but I'll just give you a synopsis of it so we don't have to read the whole thing right now. It is from Columbus's first voyage to the Americas, his exposición, which is why they have the Monumento in Barcelona. That's what it symbolizes. So if we go back to the PowerPoint, yo vi, what do we see? Does anyone remember? Yo vi, see Columbus. From the vocabulario, do we see a monumento? Do we see an iglesia? Monumento. Sí. Yo vi a un monumento en the Columbus Monument, Barcelona. So your full sentence would be yo vi un monumento en Columbus Monument, Barcelona. But maybe you don't want to pick that one. Let's go to número 8. The magic fountain of Montjuic. We'll click around that one. Let's zoom in a little bit here. What do you all see here?
Fountain.
Sí. Does anyone remember fountain in Espanol? Let's go back
Fuente.
to- Sí. La fuente. Let's put it all together. Yo vi un fuente and where were we? Does anyone remember?
We
Sí.
were the magic fountain of Montague.
Sí. The magic fountain of Montjuic. Yo vi un fuente and the magic fountain of Montjuic. That could be another one of your sentences. Let's go to the next one. La Casa Mila by Antoni Gaudí. In numero 9. What do you see in this one? Well, if the word is casa, we learned that in our vocabulario. So let's go back to casa.
House.
Sí, es una casa. So you could say yo vi una casa en la casa Mila. Seems pretty self-explanatory. You see a casa and la casa Mila.
Sí.
Let's go to the Montjuic Communications Tower. Numero 12. What do you see here? Monumentos. And does anyone remember towers on our list of vocabulario? La torre. La torre. Yo vi un torre. And la Montjuic Communications Tower. There's also, what do you see right here?
Baseball field.
Yeah, sí. Al baseball. Okay, let's go to the one after, which is also relating to the sports. The Olympic Stadium of Montjuic and the Olympic Ring. Let's go back to our lista de vocabulario and find estadio. Estadio is a stadium. So how would we phrase our sentence? If an estadio, you fill in the blank here.
Yo vi estadio.
Where is it?
Montjuic.
The Olympic Stadium of Montague.
Sí, perfecto. Yo vi un estadio en the Olympic Stadium of Montjuic and the Olympic Ring. Perfecto, chicos. Let's go to the next one. It looks like there's some flores on, what is this here? Is it?
Casa.
Sí, es una casa. Hay muchos casas. Hay 1, 2, 3 casas. How would we say that? Yo vi
Casa or El Casa.
una casa.
Un casa on
Leo house.
or en Botslow House.
En Botslow House. Yo vi una casa en Botslow House. Let's go to which one? Let's go to 16. The Cathedral of the Holy Cross in Saint Eulalia. Eulalia. What do you see here?
Towers.
Torres. And la Iglesia. Do you see the Iglesia?
Sí.
Raise your hand if you see the Iglesia. So how would our sentence go?
Yo vi Iglesia and the Cathedral of the Holy Cross in Saint Eulalia.
Sí, perfecto. So there's a few left. I'm not going to go through them all because I don't want to ruin the surprise for you guys. But you will have the next 20 minutes to go through and navigate through yourselves and pick cinco lugares. Cinco lugares, por ejemplo, the ones we just did. You could do other ones, whichever ones you want, using la oración yo vi, blank, and blank.